So the ingredients that you'll need are about 80 grams of powdered sugar, about 100 milliliters of heavy whipping cream, and 200 grams of cream cheese. So basically this is your cream cheese mousse. Whatever you like, you can add to the mousse. I'm going to be using these cookies. These are speculoos cookies. I don't know if you know them in whatever country you're living in, but in Belgium this is pretty much one of the better ones. These are cinnamon based cookies, really delicious. If you're in Belgium, try these, or if you can get your hands on them, really delicious, really recommend it. Let's get started. I'm rambling too much. First, let's start off by whipping our cream. Take a bowl and pour your cream in there and mix it up until it's nice and firm. There you go. As you can see, our cream is nice and whipped. Now we can move on to the cream cheese. I'm going to take a slightly bigger bowl, put the cream cheese in the bowl, noise, and mix it up as well. The cream cheese doesn't need that much, so I've mixed it up a little bit. Now I'm going to add the powdered sugar. You can do it bit by bit, or you can just do it in one go, as I'm doing right now, but make sure not to turn on your mixer at this point, because the powdered sugar will explode in your face. Believe me, I've had it. It's not nice. It's a mess. So what I usually do is I mix it up a bit without turning on the mixer, so that the powdered sugar kind of gets coated by the cream cheese, and then you start mixing. I've mixed just enough that the sugar would dissolve and be incorporated into the cream cheese. Now set this aside. The final step is the cookies. I'm going to take about 100 to 150 grams. I usually put them in a zip bag, but since I don't have one, I'm going to use some parchment paper. Just going to wrap it up. I'm going to use our trusted bottle of olive oil and smash the cookies. As you can see, they've crumbled really nicely. If you want to get them finer, you can do so, but I like it when there are some chunks and bits left in the mousse. So now it's time for the assembly. I've got my cream cheese and I've got my whipped cream. I'm just going to lower the contrast a little bit. There we go. I'm going to add my cookies to the cream cheese. Let's give it a stir. It's looking delicious already. And now we're going to add our whipped cream to the mixture. Make sure to be gentle. Don't overmix it, because otherwise the fluffiness of the cream will just go away and everything will be for nothing. And there you have it. Your mousse is done. All there is left is just take a presentable glass, put your cream in there and decorate. There we go. Nice and pretty. Now just a finishing touch. Boop. And there you have it. Your mousse is done.